Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in this today's video, we are going to see what are margin and padding. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's see them by visual representation. Here I created a box. Now, padding represents the amount of inner space an element has, while the margin is white space available surrounding an element. But why we need margin and padding? The answer is very simple. To add space between and inside our element. It is very important to understand for creating beautiful UIs. So let's see this in Visual Studio Code. We have created this file in our previous video. Let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using Live Server. You can see here, by default our browser is adding some space here. To understand better, let's remove this space. So to remove the default space, type asterisk here and then inside curly braces, set the padding to 0, also set the margin to 0. Now it will remove the default space which was added by our browser. Get back to browser. See here, the default space is removed. We have removed this space to understand margin and padding. Now, inside our blue class, let's add padding property and I'm setting it to 50 pixels. There are lots of CSS units like pixels, rem, em and many more, but we will see that in our upcoming videos. Currently we are using pixels here. Get back to browser. You can see here we have added padding to our headings. Now let's add margin. So to add margin property and I am setting its value to 40 pixels. Get back to browser. See here we have successfully added margin to our headings. Now let's add border to our heading. After margin, add border property. And now we need to give 3 values here. So the first value is the size of our border. So I am setting it to 5 pixel. Then add the border style. I am adding solid and the last thing is border color. So I am setting it to black. Get back to browser. Yeah, you can see here we have successfully applied borders to our headings. We can also change the border style. So let's change the border style. So I am changing it to dotted. See here our border is looking like this. Let's see one more style. Dashed. Get back to browser. Okay, we applied dashed border here. There are many border styles. Explore yourself on Google. And there is more to learn about borders. But I don't want to make this video complex. We will cover up it in our upcoming videos. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course. So please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.